Life's tough when you're scared and small, still tough when you're big and tall. Oh, wrong side of McGregor's wall, and suddenly your heart is like a tennis ball, up and down and side to side. Served so hard you'd think you died. No love for you.
Are you Peter?
That depends who's asking.
Peter!
Mr. McGregor, what happened?
What happened? What happened was that little rodent came into my garden and ate all of my vegetables. They're my vegetables, and it's my garden.
Peter, what happened? He killed my dad and put him in a pie.
Very nice he was too.
Okay, we are getting a bit angry, so we may need to take deep breaths to Mr. McGregor and Peter.
Okay.
What were you thinking at that moment?
I was thinking that little rabbit has eaten all of my vegetables. I was very, very angry. I have to plant nearly every day new vegetables. And each day he comes in with his little friends and eats them all. It's not fair.
You don't eat them all.
Well, you eat most of them and then you trash the rest.
Only because you chased around and tried to kill us.
Because you shouldn't be in my garden.
What was you thinking at that moment, Peter? Well, I was thinking I need to get in there as quickly as I can, get the vegetables so I can feed my family. So you was feeling a bit panicky when you was doing it? Yeah. Thank you. How were you feeling?
I was feeling very, very angry. It's not right. It's my land, it's my garden, it's my vegetables. He has no right to come into my garden. It's my kingdom.
How were you feeling at that moment? Well, I was feeling scared because he could kill any of my friends and put them in a pie at any second. It does sound quite scary. Who else was affected?
Me and my vegetables.
Thank you. Who else was affected, Peter? My friends, my family, and almost every other animal that depends on that garden for food. What do you think is needed to make things better?
Well, I suppose we could compromise. My garden is quite large, I suppose. Never really thought about them being scared of me. So maybe I could give up a small bit of my land to give them their own vegetable plot.
What do you think needs to make things better, Peter? Well, I suppose I agree with Mr. McGregor. I didn't know he didn't know I was scared. How can we move forward?
I suppose I could stop chasing them as long as they don't come onto my little land. And I can show them how to grow their own vegetables, and maybe we could work alongside each other.
Thank you. How can we move forward, Peter? I suppose we could apologise and not remember too much about the past and think about the future. So. Thank you.
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry, Tom.
We are gathered here today to join Bea and Thomas in holy matrimony.
You're taking this so well.
He's a good man.
You hated this guy.
We've grown very close.
Welcoming a new parent,
Not that close.
a father.
Father?
Father?
No, you're not my father.
Peter, the ring. Right, sorry.
Are you the author? It's really the rabbit story. I just wrote it down.
Look, Dad, it's Peter Rabbit.
I hate that I'm the face of this.
He's a little naughty.
What?
Are you Peter?
That depends who's asking.
Peter, stay out of trouble.
Told you he has it in for me.
He was talking to all of us.
I'm talking to you, Peter. Specifically, stay out of trouble. Trouble.
If that's who they think I am, maybe I'd be better off without them. Oh, come on.
Is your name Peter Rabbit?
Yeah.
I was best friends with your dad. My name's Barnabas. You're a fierce bad rabbit, just like him.
Where are the rabbits? Back in their burrow, snug as a bug in a rug.
I'm gonna live forever! Get back here!
Uh-oh, spread out.
Join
This is fun. I'm speeding up a little. I'm speeding up quite a bit.
And that's why adults shouldn't do kid stuff.
Your love's making all things new. You're working it all for good. For the things of this world, there is hope renewed in the life that is found in you. Come on, we sing together. For you make all things new. 'Cause you make all things new. Yesterday and forever, your love never changing. This soul is never fading. Hallelujah. Faith in the things unseen, bringing life where it has not been, speaking things that are not as if they were, and I am alive in you. You make all things new. You make all things new. Yesterday and forever, your love never changing. This soul never fading. Hallelujah. We sing the heavens have been opened. I know that. Come on, if you believe it tonight, lift it up. Come, we are alive in Christ Jesus. God, you are restored. That's it. The heavens have been opened. I know that I am chosen. 'Cause I am alive in you. 'Cause I am alive in you. God, you are restored. All things for your glory. I am alive in you. I am alive in you. 'Cause you make all things new. 'Cause you make all things new. Yesterday